Welcome to Fix It Design, your go-to destination for modern home and garden inspiration. In this video, we're taking you on a visual journey through 200 of the most stunning modern patio pergola designs for 2025. Whether you're revamping your backyard or starting from scratch, a pergola can be the centerpiece that brings your entire outdoor space together. We'll explore everything from minimalist wood structures to fully equipped luxury pergolas with lighting, outdoor kitchens, and greenery. Ready to transform your garden into a stylish outdoor retreat? Let's get started. 1. Minimalist wooden pergolas. 2025 is all about clean lines and simplicity, and minimalist wooden pergolas are leading the trend. With their sleek, open designs and use of natural wood like cedar or teak, these pergolas blend effortlessly into any modern landscape. Pair them with low-profile seating, concrete floors, and subtle lighting for a refined yet warm outdoor experience. 2. Black metal frame pergolas. If you love an industrial or contemporary style, go for black powder-coated steel or aluminum pergolas. These strong, sleek frames offer a striking contrast to greenery and are perfect for urban patios or rooftop gardens. You can keep the top open for sunlight or add retractable shades for functionality and comfort. 3. Pergolas with built-in lighting. As outdoor living becomes more year-round, integrated lighting is a must. Modern pergolas in 2025 often feature LED strip lights along beams, hanging pendant bulbs, or recessed spotlights. These elements create a cozy and elegant atmosphere for evening gatherings, and some even include smart lighting systems that can be controlled with your phone. 4. Green pergolas with climbing vines. Nature meets structure in green pergolas covered in lush vines like jasmine, wisteria, or grapevine. This design not only provides shade but also adds fragrance and life to your patio. Pair it with stone pavers, rustic furniture, and water features for a timeless Mediterranean-inspired outdoor space. 5. Adjustable louvered roof pergolas. Looking for flexibility? Louvered roof pergolas let you control sunlight and airflow with adjustable slats. In 2025, motorized options are trending, allowing you to open or close the roof with the push of a button. These are perfect for both sunny days and rainy afternoons, offering year-round usability. 6. Pergolas with fire pits or fireplaces. Want to create a cozy outdoor lounge? Combine your pergola with a central fire pit or even a built-in fireplace. Fire features are a major trend in 2025 garden designs. They bring warmth, ambience, and act as a stunning focal point for your backyard. Combine with lounge chairs, layered textiles, and soft lighting for the ultimate outdoor retreat. 7. Pergolas over outdoor dining areas. Pergolas are perfect for defining outdoor dining zones. In 2025, we're seeing more homeowners build pergolas that extend from their home to shelter outdoor dining tables, complete with chandeliers or pendant lights. Add a built-in barbecue or bar nearby for a complete alfresco experience that's perfect for entertaining. 8. Pergolas with hanging plants and planters. This year, biophilic design is bigger than ever, and pergolas offer the perfect structure for hanging planters and pots. Add cascading flowers or trailing greenery to soften the frame and infuse nature into your patio. Not only does this beautify the space, but it also improves shade and air quality. 9. Poolside pergolas. If you're lucky enough to have a pool, a pergola nearby can create a perfect lounging or cabana-style setting. Use sheer outdoor curtains, davits, or even a built-in minibar under the pergola to complete the resort vibe. Choose waterproof materials and finishes that withstand water and sun exposure. 10. Custom-built multi-level pergolas. One of the most exciting trends for 2025 is multi-level or tiered pergolas. These customized structures offer different zones, one for seating, another for dining, and maybe even one with a spot or hammock. With layered heights and lighting, they bring architectural interest and maximize space. And that wraps up our highlight tour of 200 modern patio pergola designs for 2025. Whether you're drawn to minimalism, greenery, or fully outfitted luxury, there's a pergola design here to suit your style and budget. Let us know in the comments which design inspired you the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fix It Design, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in home and garden design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.